All right guys, here we're back with another unboxing, this time for the Salomon and MM6 Mason Margiela collab. This is going to be a take on the XT-4. This is a Mule version. So it's basically just an XT-4 with the back cut out. Let me get this out of here. So there we go, top down view. I mean, classic XT-4 shape. I actually thought when I first took a look at these that maybe they'd be a little difficult. You know, maybe they'd slip out really easy. Maybe they would look too chunky. Maybe it was more of a novelty. But to be honest with you, after putting them on, I'd say they are far more wearable than I even imagined. I really like that they stay on the foot. There's a little lip on the back. They're really comfortable, just like the XT-4. It has all the same details too. So you still get the same classic grippy sole. You get all of the reinforcement on the toe, the counter, kind of everywhere there. And then it's the classic lacing system as well. The really interesting details here are gonna be that they took like the kind of gradient colorway that starts from like a green and fades to a black underneath the kind of rib cage here. So you can see it there. You obviously have the classic numbers print on the front. You have the insole with the print there. And just a couple other like little details, like this doesn't always come with the Salomon embossed little piece of rubber here at the end. And then again, it's just like a really interesting colorway. This is another one too we put on with like jeans and a bunch of other, you know, pants, and like it just kind of seemed to go with everything. It's super easy to slide in and out of, just like you'd want in a Mule. So you don't really like sacrifice anything there. This for us is coming in two colorways. Here's the other one, the brighter of the two. So you get this more like earthy toned one, looks really cool with denim, khakis, black, anything like that, super wearable every day. Then you get this kind of like more classic Salomon colorway, which is this brighter, more vibrant, kind of highlighter colorway. Still, you get the gradient from the front to the back. You get the same sole, same everything else. All the details are there, just the colorway changes on this one. You also get the cool ribbon, the 3-color ribbon that you get on all the XT4s, except for this one does have the XT4 Mule, which is only an exclusive to them, and has the little MM6 Mason Margiela print underneath. So another cool little detail there. And that is also really handy for hiding the extra lace after you've tightened it. So really cool, really excited about these. We've had a lot of interest, so I imagine these are going to go quickly. They drop really soon. All the information is going to be below. So check it out on the website. These are really cool. I think they're going to go quickly, like I said, so grab yours while you can. If you have any questions, drop them below or hit us up directly. And make sure you do that ahead of time if you can, because I'm sure, like I said, these are going to go quick. So thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye.